Hello and welcome to the video. I'm sure lots of you have been waiting for this one. It is the draw for the winners for the first 12 days of Christmas. Now there are lots of cool things for the first 6 days. We have the Sonic Model AR Wing Pro Kit, the Wing Simulator Code, Menace RC Digipack, the Dart 250G, a fat strap and Osmo Pocket 1 camera. I'm going to use the random comment picker as I normally do just to very quickly get through this so you can find out whether or not you have won. Now, I do need to say a massive thank you to every single one of you that took the time and effort to put a comment, particularly those who were thoughtful and kind of wished me and my family Merry Christmas and best wishes for 2021. Definitely best wishes for the new year, if I could even say it, to all of you as well. So let's go through and find out who won which. So first one is going to be for day one. That's for Sonic Model AR Wing Pro Kit. If I copy the information into the random comment picker and select the winner is Paul Brannan. Paul, fantastic. I know Paul, he is actually in the northeast of England. He does an awful lot with kids to keep them on the straight and narrow and actually uses the hobby as part of that work. So Paul, congratulations, fantastic. Pop me your address details, just confirm everything with me on an email to lee@painless36.com and I'll get this out to you. So rather than me go through the whole kind of process, let's just get to the brass tacks and let me show you what the random comment picker has picked for each of those days. Day 2 was Rick Maddox. Day 2 was for the Wing Sim Code. That's the simulator. So Rick, pop me your details again to lee@painless360.com. That's one that I can get to you quite quickly, which means that you should be able to have a play. Hopefully your PC is up to it. I didn't say that in the comment, but hopefully it is, because if it isn't, you're about to find out. Day 3 was for the Menace RC Digipack, and Kevin won that one. Congratulations, Kevin. Again, pop me some details to lee@painless360.com. Do include the day that you're winning whenever you're sending me this stuff. I'm obviously going to be getting lots of emails in about this, so in your title, if you can let me know which day you've won, it'll help me keep track of all that stuff. That would be great. So Kevin, if you can send that to me and get this pack out to you, and hopefully, post willing, it'll be with you soon. Day 4 was for the Dart 250G. Simon Hall has had his name pulled out the hat for that one. So Simon, congratulations. Again, send me your details to lee@painless360.com. Do include day 4 in the title of your email so I can keep track of it. Next one then was for the first draw for the fat straps. I use fat straps on all my stuff and it's fantastic. And the winner of the fat straps is Mark. I'm just going to say Mark. I'm not even going to attempt your second name. Apologies. But Mark, do send me your details. And again, to lee@painless360.com. Include day 5 in the subject line of your email. And we'll get that all sorted out for you. That one's going to be shipped direct from Stephen at Fat Straps, but we'll have to get you in touch with him so you can say which design you want and whether it's for DJI or Fat Shark. And that leaves the last one of the draw, and that was for day 6, and that was for the Osmo Pocket, and that has been won by Stephen Thorpe. Stephen, congratulations. Again, pop me your details to lee@painless360.com. Include day 6 in the subject line of the email, and then I can keep track of everything. So congratulations to everybody, but don't despair yet. There's another 6 to go tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow, and we'll pull some more names out of the hat. Thank you for watching my video and watching right to the very end. If you want to find out what I'm currently working on, you can follow me on social media by searching for Painless360 in the usual places. If you'd like to become part of the inner circle, then you can become a Patreon. Details are in the description and you get lots of additional benefits. Check out the playlist section on the channel too. I organise all of my videos into playlists and it's called something like Introduction to or for Beginners. All of the content is aimed so that you can start at the very beginning and it teaches you that subject, starting with simple principles and moving up to teach you everything you need to know.